Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a zoom out effect for your text in CapCut. So here I've already imported a clip and I'm going to just add the text first. Then you can just change the font and the style as you like. Okay, I'm going to change the style. And to add the zoom out effect, you just need to go to the animation and under the in category find the zoom out animation. Okay, this one, zoom out to. Then you can just adjust the durations to your liking. Okay, when you're done, just click on a check icon and here is the result. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on a thanks. Bye.